simple funda. Construct the decision tree for the following problem and choose the best alternative for the purchase of a machine. Best alternative we have to choose. Now, machine, there are three alternatives: machine 1, machine 2, machine 3, and option is what? Poor, fair and good. Okay, poor, fair and good. There is a state of economy, you can say that. So M1 में कितना आपको रिटर्न मिल रहा है? देखो दिया है 5, then 7, then 11. Here M2 -3, 10, 15. Okay, M3 -10, 5 and 20. Now market being, which is the state of economy, this is poor, fair or good. So market being poor, fair and good. Okay, poor, fair and good at a chance of what? At a chance of 20%, 50%, 30%. Beta 20% means what? Chance means what? Chance means probability. Okay, so 20% means what? 0.2. 50% is what? 0.5. And 30% is what? 0.3. That's it. तो परसेंट आए या फिर डायरेक्ट 0.2, 0.5, 0.3 आए, डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज, मतलब वही चीज है. तो 20% मींस 0.2 प्रोबेबिलिटी, दिस इज 50% 0.5 प्रोबेबिलिटी, एंड दिस इज 30% मींस 0.3 प्रोबेबिलिटी. ओके, सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन, राइट. तो ये आपको सॉल्व करना है प्रैक्टिस में, बट वी हैव द टाइम, तो मेरे साथ ही सॉल्व कर लो, आ जाओ. सो लेट्स डू इट. Solution. So company name is not given directly, so write down here company, write down only company. Company, right? Now company is having three alternative projects, that is M1, M2, M3. So M1, M2 and this M3, right? Three projects, that is M1, M2 and M3. Okay, now state of economy, everyone knows, that is here it is given poor, good and क्या दिया देखो क्वेश्चन में, हाँ फेयर, पुअर एंड गुड. कि पुअर, फेयर, गुड कैसा दिया देखो, स्टेप देखो, स्टेप पुअर, फेयर एंड गुड. ओके, सो राइट डाउन हियर state of economy, that is poor, fair and good, right? And probability is what? Probability is also given 20%. 20% means what beta? 0.2. Here 50% is what? 0.5. And for good 30%, that is 0.3. Okay, now for M2 also same, poor, fair, good. So poor, fair and good, same 0.2, 0.5, 0.3. Then here M3, poor, that is 0.2, fair, that is 0.5 and good, that is 0.3. So this is what? 0.2 means 20%, 0.5 means 50%, 0.3 means 30%. That is common thing. Okay, now come on. Now here return is also given. Returns are also given to us. That is, see what is given there? 5. So 5 into 0.2. See the question, everyone. 5 into 0.2. Yes. So answer is what? 1. Very good. Now in this case, second one, M1 may. In M1 alternatives, see the fair returns, that is 7. Okay. 7 into 0.5. So what will be the answer? 3.5. Right? 3.5. Then next, good. So here for good, 11 into 0.3. So 11 into 0.3, yes, 3.3. The answer is what? 3.3. Okay. Now for M2 or M2. For M2, what is given? First?
-3.
Negative, okay. So -3. अच्छा वो क्वेश्चन में डायरेक्ट दिया ना -3 करके, -3 तो -3 कर दो, चलो कोई बात नहीं. Multiplied by 0.2. So the negative return will come, that is कितना? -0.6. 0.6. Yes. Then here 0.5 के लिए 10 into 0.5. 10 into 0.5, which will come, that is 5, right? Then next, for this 0.3, what will be the answer? That is 15 is the return. 15 into 0.3. So what will come? 4.5, right? 4.5. Okay, ये सबका टोटल ले लो. इधर का टोटल क्या आ रहा है? What is the total of this? So first M1 alternative total is what? 7.8. Okay. And second alternative, that is M2. M2 total is what? Okay, 8.9. Cross check it. Very good.
8.9, sir.
Very nice. 8.9. Now, final option.
चालू है कैमरा. मल्टी कर लो ना फोन. मल्टी करूंगी तो निकाल देंगे. निकाल देंगे.
Now final option. See this one. Poor, for poor is what? Here negative answer na? -10 multiplied by 0.2. So what will be the answer? -10 into 0.2, that is -2. So in case of fair, that is 0.5. That is 5 into 0.5. 5 into 0.5, which will come 2.5. Then in case of good, here what beta? 20 into 0.3. 20 into 0.3. The answer will be 6.
6.
Right? Yes, I can see the answer also. Now, everyone, get your answer, final. Now, what will be the final answer?
6.5.
Okay, 6.5. Very good, beta. 6.5. So this is the common funda. This is the common steps. What common steps you have to follow for decision tree analysis? That is name of the company. It should start from left to right. Always remember this. It should start from left to right. First you have seen company name. Then 3 alternatives, that is M1, M2, M3. And then each alternative having state of economy, that is poor, fair or good, poor, fair or good, poor, fair or good. And the probability is also given. Probability is also given. That is 20% is 0.2, 50% is 0.5, and 30% is what? 0.3 for all. Accordingly, returns are also given. And then returns multiplied by that probability, you will get the expected return. So after that you have get the total, that is 7.8, 8.9, 6.5. And finally you can see here which alternative should company opt. Which alternative should the company opt? The alternative this one, that is M2. M2 will be the best option to opt. Okay, so finally conclude it. Therefore same jo idhar you have written here na, see, therefore the return generated by alternatives, therefore the returns generated by the alternatives therefore the returns generated by the alternatives are, so first alternative is what? M1, that is 7.8, then this is the expected return, then second 8.9. अभी देखो क्वेश्चन में देख लेना जरा, वो उसमें रिटर्न्स में have they given रुपीस साइन, रुपीस का साइन दिया है क्या, जरा देख लेना क्वेश्चन में, साइन वाइन कुछ दिया नहीं, ठीक है, तो नो नीड टू पुट रुपीस साइन, और अगर आप एजम्पशन लेके कर सकते हो, डाल सकते हो रुपीस साइन तो डाल सकते हो, कोई इशू नहीं है, बट नहीं दिया तो मत डालो. M1, M2 and M3, and finally 6.5, right? So we can conclude that we have right a option before us, that is M2, because M2 generates higher returns. M2 generates what beta? Higher returns. So if it is in case of rupees, so 8.9, अब वो 8.9 rupees वो किस में भी रहे आपका, ठीक है, so 8.9 is giving what? Higher returns, that is M2 is giving higher returns. अच्छा सब लोग अपना अटेंडेंस डाल दो फटाफट. Everyone put your attendance fast. ठीक है, तो बस कंक्लूजन कर दो अभी. सो कंक्लूजन, नाउ कंक्लूजन. राइट, सो कंक्लूड इट. ऑल्टरनेटिव M2, सेम कंक्लूजन जो आपने इन दिस सम. ऑल्टरनेटिव U हो गया, इधर इधर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑल्टरनेटिव व्हाट बेटा? M2 इज बेस्ट. ऑल्टरनेटिव M2 इज बेस्ट, राइट? बिकॉज दिख रहा है इधर, सिंपल, because it gives higher returns as compared to other alternatives. Best because it gives higher returns as compared to other alternatives. End of the sum, right? So conclusion में no worry, conclusion अपना own words में बना सकते हो, सिर्फ main answer ये आना चाहिए M2 का, because M2 is giving what? Higher return. So alternative M2 is best because it gives what beta? Higher returns as compared to other alternatives. And other alternatives are what? Other alternatives are what? M1 and M3. Or you can write project M2 is best because it gives higher returns as compared to other projects. Like that. You can write it. No worry about that. ठीक है? तो इसको जरा एक बार practice भी कर लेना.